People are making money like this one: $10, $5, $5, $23, $6, and $5. This is one of my account started generating money, and you can see from here. Yes, this is not a big amount, but when you acclimate, when you set it up, this is again autopilot. When you set it up, you can make money online in passively every single day. So I will talk about the 4 websites that gonna pay for that. Another 4 websites that you can use the free traffic to promote your link, and you get paid for that. Again, in this video I'm going to talk about a sharing video link. You're going to get paid for that. Again, you are not going to create a video and you are not doing anything, you are not doing paid traffic or anything. Just copy and paste a video on YouTube and share the link with the website I'm going to show you. That website give you free traffic every single day. You share the link and you get paid for that. So for example, you have to come up with a topic that you want to promote. If you go in Google and type top 10 niches that people are searching it, you can come with the fitness, weight loss, health, dating, relationship, pets, finance, self-improvement. So there's hundreds of topics out there. So pick the topic that you are interested in and the people are searching online. So I'll pick the topic is cooking. So on that, cooking is the general topic. Inside the cooking, I just pick a topic, pasta recipes. These are one example that you can see on YouTube. Those videos are generating millions of views on pasta recipes, the old or new methods. So what you have to do is click and just open one video. Now again, you have to think one thing. Sharing their video on social media post or anywhere, you are not going to receive any copyright strike or report or something like that, because in a way they're getting free traffic from your work. At the same time, when the viewers click your link, and you get paid for that, so everyone is happy. This link not going to pay you anything. So what you have to do, just copy that link. Okay, you just copy it. Now I'm going to show the first website that you're going to make money from it, and I will review other 3 websites at the end of the video, so come watch that. I also show the tutorial how you can promote those links differently, other than look spammy or look complicated, so people don't click the link, it will look like it's spammy or something like that. So what you do, I'm going to show the tutorial so the people will click your link even though it don't look like a YouTube link. So okay, so first you copy the link and go to one of my favorite website is called shorte.st. I already made a video. Shorte.st is basically a link shortening website. When you short a link and share the link, when the people click the link, it will take you to the page where they show this 5-second advertisement. When the people watch that 5-second advertisement, you get paid for that. Then they will redirect that page to the viewers. That's how the system works. Other 3 websites also is a link shortening website, but those, including this one, those 4 sites are paying well to the viewers, to the people, so they have a highest review on Google. So I will review other 3 websites at the end of the video. Now what you have to do, come here and paste the link and shorten the link. Now the link is shortened, just copy it. The first website I recommend is go to Pinterest. You can see from my Pinterest account, I receive around monthly 10,000 views per month organically. I don't do anything. So you can see from this month around 35 link click, 72 saves, and over 13,000 impression and 10,000 monthly views. What you have to do now, when you create a Pinterest account, you have to click a button, go add pin. If you click that, it will take you to this page. Okay, now you have to go to Canva and create a pin for you. So if I go to Pinterest pin, it will create a pin already created, pasta 30 minutes recipes. Now I download in the JPEG, which is easy to promote. Now then what you have to go to here and upload that file to here. Now go to download section here and upload that file. Now type the title you want. So 30 minutes pasta recipes. Okay, this is your title. Now you can just copy and paste that title here, but I recommend write a little bit and also put hashtag, so it will promote better, or it will have a higher SEO. So you can go and look SEO for Pinterest, but you can put hashtag and little bit description, it will convert better. Now here at the destination link, now what you have to do is just copy that and put that destination link and go on here and create a new board, because it's better to have a separate boards for each of the niche. So is on cooking, so basically pasta recipes. Now create, it will automatically create my page. Now what you have to do, I have to publish that post. Now once you create the board and pin, click publish, it will automatically publish the link, the post on the Pinterest, and when the people click that post, it will take it to the page where the 5 minutes advertisement showed, and it will redirect that page to YouTube, and you get paid for that 5 seconds. Now the second one is Facebook. You can see pasta recipe. These have these are specific for pasta lovers, that you can have around 37 members to promote your post. Okay, then you got 1.2 million. So what you do, create a little article and say this is a super fast recipe for pastas, and put the link here and promote or paste that publish the post, and when the people click it, and you get paid for that. Again, repeat that on Twitter. You can see on the comment section, just type a little bit comment and put the link there. Also go to Google and type super fast recipes. These are the page, the website will open up. Under if you open up one of the website, there's a comment section. This is for the BBC food, and if you open that, inside if there's a comment section, you can write a comment and put the link, and you get when the people click the link, you get paid for that. Guys, this won't work if you don't do the work. It is autopilot, but you need to spend 1 or 2 hours every single day for the specific niche, and promote as much as you can. When the people click the link, tomorrow or month later or a year later, you get paid for that. When the money is accumulated, you can withdraw that money using PayPal. Now I'm going to talk about the website, other 3 websites that you can make money. This website called ouo.io. This is one of the link shortener website, a good website, and you can get paid immediately when you get a minimum withdrawal amount. And third one is called shrink.io. This is the payment for them. You get paid immediately through PayPal. If you're living, if you have a Paytm, you get paid through that. And finally, ad.fly, which is I'm using at the moment, and you get paid every link people click. Guys, there's 100 of link shortening website. You can go and use them if you want, but again, it is a simple idea. The website, the goal of the website is you shorten the link and share the link with your viewers or friends. When they click the link, you get they play the advertisement for 5 seconds, and for that 5 seconds you get paid for that. That's a basic idea, guys. So you have to do the work. You have to pick a niche that people are searching on online, or any social media pages on Google. Then find the videos. These videos are free to promote. You don't have to do anything. Just copy the link and promote the video. When the people click the link, you get paid for that. So this is an automated method. Again, it required work 1 or 2 hours per day, but when you set it up, you can make money on autopilot. Thanks guys for watching my video. If you really like my video, subscribe, like, and press the bell icon, and see you in the next one. Have a good day.